Hello everybody, you are watching Linux Home tutorial. Today I wanted to show you how can you quickly check your bootable thumb drive for bootability. And first of all, I wanted to say why I need this. I am experimenting with bootable thumb sticks, and sometimes it fails to load, especially for BIOS systems, and it is very time consuming because you need real hardware to load all option ROMs and other things and reboots and again, and I wanted to avoid this to save my time. So now I figured this out and am sharing it with you. So here is my script which I already uploaded to GitHub. It called checkboot, and it is a very simple command, just invoking QEMU virtual machine. By the way, I am using it as a hard drive because my attempts to use it as actually USB flash were failing. I do not know why this is happening, but still I got what I wanted, so yeah, this is working. Okay, this is, by the way, an article in Arch Linux Wiki which I was following, and I failed to install SysLinux correctly to my USB thumb. So this is why I wanted to do this. Okay, now what about actually launching it and checking how it works? First of all, we need to check our device name in your current host. For example, I'll issue ls_blk, and here I've got some devices, and here SDD is my flash drive. So now I can actually run this command, and let's see what it does. It runs with root privileges because it needs access to device what you pass to this script, and then it uses appropriate BIOS. If you omit this variable, then it will use legacy boot. But if you use U option for this script, then it will pass to UEFI firmware, and then it will use it. So we need to assign some memory to our machine, enable KVM because without it is working much slower, and then actually define our device as a drive. In this case it's indexed 0, and that's it. I only needed to check for USB thumb sticks, so I do not need to check any ISO files themselves, but you can actually do this with CD-ROM option. Okay, let's check how it works. Let's check boot my dev SDD with BIOS firmware. Now I am passing my password, and actually I can see that it is working. I'll boot it until root shell, just to show you that all is working normally. As you can see, it's going quite fast. Okay, and then let's do the same with UEFI firmware. It waits for some time, then it shows systemd boot menu, and then it is again loading further. Further steps are irrelevant here. The only difference between these two options is another firmware. So yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, press like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.